It's good. Don't worry. Hello, everyone. My name is Sevi Shehu. I'm the Chief Strategy Officer of MetaEarth. I'm here today to talk about two Earths. The first Earth that we live in is the physical Earth. It's the Earth that is divided by borders and owned by few. But we intend to create another world, and that is the digital world. And the world that we are building is open and it is decentralized. It's built on blockchain, it's owned by people. Because we thought that Earth deserved a digital twin. In this digital twin, we thought about it and it would be no middleman, it would be no limits, it would be no borders. And it's designed for fairness. You might think, why MetaEarth and why now? Well, because of the complaints that we hear every day. We know very well that our internet is broken. Everyone is talking about ownership issues, about their data that are being sold. We rent everything practically and we own nothing. And to tell you the truth, we thought that Web3 would be the solution, and it is. We created these tools for ownership and transparency and control. What do? We thought, let's do the MetaEarth project now. Why? Because we put this project into a modular blockchain ecosystem. As we are not used to working so far with other blockchains, ours is fast, is secure, and of course, it can handle all the demand of the people that will be in it. MetaEarth stands out because it's not just another token project. It's about real value. It's about integrating the people of the Earth in our digital ecosystem. It's a complete shift for the Earth that we live in into the digital world. Now, our ecosystem is divided in three main cores. It's the MeID, it's the MePass, and the MeNetwork. The MeID, let's say, we give you a password to enter into our project, and you enter with a KYC. Once you are in, you are part of the MePass. This is our wallet. In our wallet, you can access and you can assess your assets, you can play with your governance, and you can be part of a zone, of many zones that we have all around the world. You might think, well, what does this target? Let's say the complaints that we hear every day. For example, your land. You think you own your land, but you don't. The moment you don't pay the taxes, the government takes it from you. Your data, you think you own your data, actually you don't. Or you think you own Instagram. No, because Meta can take it away from you at any time. That is what I'm saying about our current problems. But we started small, you know. In the beginning, it took us 8 months to reach to 100,000 users, and then it surged around some months ago, around 5 months ago. We had 100,000 users in 1 month. Then we hit a breakthrough in February 18, 2025. We had 10,000 registrations, 10,000 users in a day. And now we grew fast in 1 year, more than 1 million. And today, I think we are more than 1,300,000 users. Our architecture of the modular blockchain, as you know, it's separated in 3 layers: the execution, the settlement layer, and the data availability. Think of it as a kitchen where the chef divides every part to its sub-chefs, so nothing gets congested, the plate is ready at the time. So this kind of modular design can handle as many users because our project is built for all the people in the world. So the efficiency, there is no congestion. So imagine building a building not with concrete, but with Lego blocks. Now, who is behind all this? He's not the typical crypto owner. His name is Patrick Orr. He's the founder and CEO of MetaEarth. He has been working over 2 decades in traditional finance. What he saw a lot of inefficiencies, you know, working in the banking system, being the middleman in this case, and he started to think that I want to change this. And he said, what if we build something big and something real for people all around the world? So what did he do? He said, I'm going to build this infrastructure when anyone can be in this digital world. So he went and gathered all together experts from AI, from blockchain, I don't know, experts in Web3, sustainability, and he created he created MetaEarth. Let's say he gathered $50 million fund, and where we are today, after 1 year, we have more than 1 million users. So let's say this was a real success. How are we structured? We are divided into 200+ zones. Each zone represents a country. Let's say I'm from Spain, I represent Spanish zone, and if you are from, let's say, Peru, it's the same. So far, we have activated more than 40 zones, 40 nodes, and of course, every nationality that enters in our project will have and will pass its own KYC. Let's say you are in Kenya and you propose something for Kenya, let's say farming initiatives. You put it there and people may vote for it or not. The same thing if you are in Germany, you want to do something in digital infrastructure. Of course, you can propose it as a project and people inside the ecosystem can vote it or not. Our tokenomics. We have a total supply of 20 billion. This is fixed and there is no additional issuance. 10 billion are prepared for every person in the world. Let's say every person here, every person in every part in the world has to take or gets to take our token and be part of our ecosystem. The other 10 billion is to power our project and they will get stake yearly, halved yearly. Where are we going? What is the next for MetaEarth? Of course, we intend to expand. As I told you now, we are more than 50+ countries. This is scaling every day. Now we are in Turkey, we were in Thailand, we were in Dubai, we are going to Latin America, Asia, so this is our goal. Another thing that is very important in part of the sustainability, we have Me Green. You can trade carbon credits in our project, and it's your part to, I don't know, to make up for the pollution that you make in the world. And also, there is a fun part that we call it Me Virtual. You just put your virtual glasses on and be part of the ecosystem, a lot of environments, a lot of collaboration within it. And of course, 2025, 2026, the roll-ups, SDK, so for our developers can create a lot of projects in our blockchain. So thank you everyone for listening to me. Thank you. I want to thank also the blockchain organizers, but especially the people in MetaEarth who have worked so much for this project. Also for our users who trusted us from the start. Thank you.